In this video, you will learn how to verify your CoinpayU account. Log into your CoinpayU account, go to the CoinpayU website and sign in with your registered email, then password. Go to your account settings. Once logged in, go to your profile icon or username. Select your account settings from the drop-down menu. Locate the verification section. Find the verification or KYC section in your account settings dashboard. Enter personal information. Fill out required details such as your full name, date of birth and address, exactly as they appear on your ID. Upload identification documents. Upload a valid ID issued, such as a passport or driving license. If required, take a selfie for your facial recognition as well. Submit and wait for approval. Click submit and wait for CoinpayU team to review your documents. Once you're approved, you will be able to receive confirmation emails indicating your account is verified. Now you know how to verify your account on CoinpayU. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.